Assalamualaikum everyone, let's make a dashed line together. And to make a dashed line, I need to first make a straight line using the pen tool by holding down the shift key. I am gonna increase its stroke so it is visible. And now simply click on this stroke and the panel will appear, and here we go. Simply click on this and we will have a dashed line. Now we can experiment with the properties. We can increase or decrease the number of dashes. We can increase or decrease the gap between the dashes. Now let's make a circle, and it is already dashed because the stroke properties are the same one which we were using for this line. And you can toggle this button to have dashed or undashed lines. If you want to see some more tutorials like this, then simply subscribe and hit the bell icon.